Welcome to today's topic. We are looking at things to say to a single person. Please connect with me in the comment section. Click the subscription button and like my channel. Work on yourself to be the kind of person that you love to date. That is such a good advice. That you help the other person start working on themselves, and they will become the kind of a person that they will love someone else to date. Another thing you can tell someone, love your own company. Yes, this is such a good thing because you make the person treasure themselves, take care of themselves, and they will not feel lonely. They will feel that I'm adequate on myself, on my own, and it's not a wrong thing to be alone or to be single. Something else you can say to a single person, you are your own source of happiness. Wow. This triggers joy that the person gets to know I do not need an extra person to make me happy, that I can actually make myself happy and I am happy within myself. What else can you say to someone who is single? Focus on what you have, not what you do not have. Have you heard of that? Wow. That I will look on what is it that the Lord has blessed me. Maybe I have a job, maybe I'm in school, maybe I'm doing 1 or 2, 3, and they will not look at, I do not have someone to tell me I love you, but they will now focus on what they can work on and what they have, and they will bring a lot of thanksgiving to God. They will feel good about themselves. What else can you tell someone who is single? Love yourself the way you would love someone else to love you. Some of you do not even know how they want to be loved. So if you tell a single person that first love yourself, it gives them time to get to know, by the way, how do I want to be loved? Is beating love? No. How do I want to be loved? I want someone to appreciate. Do I appreciate people? Then you'll give them an opportunity to learn that actually there is a way that I want to be loved, and I can love myself also. What else can you tell someone who is single? Singleness is not a choice. Loneliness is a choice. Wow. Singleness is not a choice? Yes. But choosing to be lonely, it's my choice. You give them this, you give them power to know that they have a choice to make. That actually I can be single, but I can choose not to be lonely. What else can you tell a single person? Use the time to grow yourself. Do you feel that you have so much time to yourself? What is it that you can do? I can go back to school. I can enroll for programs that can enhance me to grow and become the person that I desire someone else to date. So use the time to grow yourself. That is such a kind word. What else can you tell a single person? Get a mentor who can prepare you for marriage. If you're a single person and you desire to be married one day, it is important to get prepared for marriage. Do not wait until, but I don't have a spouse, then you can start learning. No, we go to work to have an internship program. Despite us having graduated, having a degree or a master's, we still go for internship. Why do we do that? Because we have to be polished and being taught how does work is done, how work is done. And the more we are taught on how work is done, we get to learn. So is marriage. Get a mentor who can help you learn to know what is marriage. What am I expected to do in marriage? Why am I getting married? What kind of a partner do I want to? You can learn this before you get married. Did you know that? For today, those are things that you can say to a single person. Welcome. Thank you.